Hello YouTube and welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue work on our Wasteland project car, the Outrider Interceptor. Okay, so as some of you guys know, I'm using all different aspects of video game cars and movie cars and even concept drawings, kind of taking parts and pieces I like from each car to build my idea of what I want to be my car. So one thing I like on the Razor Cola, and I think on some of the concept drawings, the car had these like kind of like running boards, or I don't know what you could, Nerf bars. I don't really know what they're called. They got different names depending on, you know, where you're from or whatever, I guess. But basically they're bars that go under the door, and I think I like that look. I think I'm gonna stick them on, maybe put some on there, and that'll be another spot where somebody can ride, or just add more look to the side of the car, make it look a little more beefier and more utilitarian. So yeah, we're gonna try it. Get into it now. Okay, so what I got some brackets here off of a F250 or F150. I don't remember which. They were off the running boards. We're gonna cut them up and use those hopefully to mount a older tube style Nerf bar, or rock guard, brush bar. I don't know what you call them, but anyways, bar. It's off an old I think it was off a Jeep or something, but it's been used a couple times, so we're just gonna cut it off and make it fit. See where it goes. Okay, YouTube, so there it is. I got the Nerf bars welded on right there, and they're strong enough for somebody to stand on it if they wanted to while we're at Wasteland and ride. But also I try to space them out far enough where they look like they're put on there to protect the car, Wasteland car battles and stuff. The only thing I'm not crazy about is when you open the door, there's actually enough room. There's actually enough room where your leg can go between the body and the tube. So I might end up putting some expanded metal there just for safety reasons. I spaced them out that far so that when you stand on the car, you got plenty of room. But yeah, so that's what we working with, what they look like. It looks better in person than it does through this viewfinder, but I gotta do the other side. YouTube. So that's the end result. I went ahead and put that expanded metal in there, so you know nobody's foot could get through it. I liked it better without it on there, but for safety reasons, I think it was the right choice. And just so everybody knows that I'm being 100% honest, I went ahead and did the other side as well. It's tough for me to film over here, but it's done too. So I know there wasn't a whole lot going on in this video, just that kind of matches this back perch, perch on the back, Lancer perch or whatever. So I think it fits with the car. And this is probably gonna be the last video for this year, so I wanted to real quick say thanks to everybody that has subscribed. I actually want to say thanks to a few people that they really helped me along on this journey so far this year, and I want to call them out, or plug them, or give them a shout out, or whatever the right word is. The hip sayings are. I want to say thanks to Brian English at EMT 540 Clubhouse. His awesome YouTube channel has Wasteland content. I want to say thanks to that pallet jack guy on Instagram. He's one of the Black Thumbs, another awesome guy. Just give me a bunch of insight on this. Mike Makeshift Darling from Apocalypse Outpost, and at Camber Courtney 5250. I think that dude has posted or commented on just about every video, and he's one of the ones that always I like getting input from. So I want to say thanks to all you guys. Thanks to everybody that has subscribed. I hope everybody has a good holidays and end of the year. And 2025, man, it's going down. We'll see you later. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue progress. God damn it. Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue work on our Hello YouTube, welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue working on our Wasteland project car, the Outrider Interceptor. Check it out. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we got God almighty. Hello YouTube, welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue work. Why am I fucking my hands? Hello YouTube, welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue working on our Outrider. Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Small Block Saloon. Today we're going to continue work on our Wasteland project car, the Outrider Interceptor.